Beautiful 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom in Briarwood. This is entrance. The hallway is a coat closet here. Very large closet, walk-in closet. There's a huge hallway here. And this is the living room, very large living room. A lot of lights during the day. High ceilings, beautiful hardwood floors. On the left, this is the kitchen. Got a lot of cabinets, very clean, beautiful tiles. The fridge here, the windows. Got a brand new stove. A lot of space in the kitchen. A lot of cabinets. Got a pantry here. Walking through. On the left is one of the bedrooms here. Decent sized bedroom. Got windows. Got a closet. There's no closet, walk-in closet. Very large closets. Could put a king size bed here. And on the left there's another bedroom here. This one's very large bedroom. Beautiful hardwood floors. Got 2 windows, one here, another one here. High ceilings. And got this one closet here. A large closet. It's got another closet here. Got 2 closets. And this is the bathroom. All renovated, beautiful tiles, very clean. It's got a window there. Beautiful apartment. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.